In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Advanced Features. Now select one-handed mode and use gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Finally, scroll all the way down and click on one of those options you wish to use to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to use the chosen method, follow all of the instructions below it. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. To change placement of it, click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to go back to your standard size screen, just click on blank area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!